A brick house in East Frisia was built in the 1960s as a farm worker's residence. Its design follows the standards of post-war German mass housing, with a main house and a small barn simply built using local materials. The house was designed to meet the urgent need for post-war housing. The house is characterized by the use of red brick and handicrafts, which reflect the architectural style of independent houses in northern Germany at the time. However, when it was discovered in 2020, the house had undergone renovations that changed its original appearance. The interior of the house is also designed in a minimalist style, using natural materials such as pine wood and white plaster. Antique furniture from the 60s and 70s completes the atmosphere of the house. As a finishing touch, the owner designed a small wall cabinet inspired by the house. With the aim of restoring the original beauty of the house, the new owners decided to maintain the simple exterior and emphasize local craftsmanship. Together with craftsmen, they carried out renovations that focused on fine details, such as the roof, so that the house blends in with the surrounding landscape again.